All right, guys.
All right, guys.
Can you hear me,
Can you
please?
hear me,
One of
please?
you
One
unmute.
of you unmute.
Yes, brother, we can hear you. We can see your screen.
Thank you, guys.
Thank
Thank
you,
Yes,
you.
guys.
The
yes,
white,
Thank
the
you.
whiteboard, the whiteboard. Yeah.
Thank you, guys.
Thank you, guys.
Yeah, the reason
Yeah,
why
the reason why
I
I
am
am
wanting this
wanting this white
board is
board is
I have to
I
write
have
down
to
some
write down some
contents, like
contents,
some
like
information.
some
I want to give
information.
you
I want
some
to give you
information
some
first.
information first.
You have to know
You have
this
to know this
information
information before you go to the
charities,
live charities.
So
Uh,
we need to
we need to
illustrate
illustrate
something.
something. We have to explain something, guys.
First.
First,
I hope
I hope you
ready
guys
for this
ready
new
for this
technique.
new technique.
Uh, let us first
Let us
say
first say
which betas
which betas
can we
trade first.
Okay,
we trade gold.
Okay,
Okay, gold only
for
for good movies.
plus
Plus
BTC,
BTC,
USD.
USD.
Okay,
Okay, these two betas can make you millionaires, guys, only using this technique.
Okay,
Okay,
this
is the
the
simplest
SOB
SOB ever.
Let me
say a very simple SOB.
That
means even newbie traders can understand what I'm going to teach you.
Okay?
Okay? Even someone who has started trading
1
month ago, 2 months ago can understand. Something very simple.
You've
You've hit several times.
We
We must make trading simple.
Let
Let everything become simple. Okay? So all we use is only
breakouts.
Breakout
And
also only
three
time frames.
three time frames.
Time frames.
This is
all
we use.
we use.
So what is the first
thing you will keep in mind?
It will be
breakouts.
First,
get to know the breakout.
So
you have to understand.
In trading,
we have two setups. I don't know if you guys know or not, but we have two setups. One is continuation. All right.
Let us say
continuation. And the second one is reversal. So these are the two setups.
Okay, these are the two setups
we have.
One is for continuation
and one is for reversal.
This is
the
only
setups you have every day.
Market
will reverse or will continue. That's
all
you have.
And if you get
one of these setups, you have to know the probability of each setup.
If we have
continuation setup,
this is
low risk setup.
If we have
reversal setup,
this
is
a high risk
setup.
So which
setup
would you prefer
to trade the most?
Which one? You always
want something that will.
You always want
setups that have a low risk.
Every
time you will consider something that has low risk.
Okay,
I don't want to lose too much. I want setups that will give me high probabilities, high performance. Whenever I enter, it must not come back. It must give me sharp entry, sniper entry. Every one of you wants setups that has low risk. Every one of you. So when it
comes on the chart,
how can I know a reversal and how can I know a continuation?
Don't worry.
Don't worry. Because when you see breakout,
let me say
BO equals breakout.
So when you
see breakout, it indicates
trend
continuation, okay?
Trend
continuation.
When you want
a reversal,
we will
have what is called rejection.
And what is defined
rejection is when
price
touches on support level
or resistance level
with a wick or
candle,
right? You have to understand.
So
rejection equals to reversal. So this
is always
high risk.
And when you see
breakout, this is
low risk.
That
is
why
my systems are always based on what?
BO. Breakout.
So I'm giving
you guys solid
breakout system. Let it be TST or the one that I'm going to teach you, the market
rotation.
All my systems are based on what? Guys,
breakout.
So breakout
means low risk setups.
I
hope you got
it.
So
in a form of illustration,
let me make you understand how breakout looks like.
For example,
we have
classic A, which stands for resistance.
We know the basic SNR
types. Support
and resistance. Classic A, classic V, gap SNR, broken SNR. We have to understand them. RBS, SVR, whatever.
The
basic of SNRs. I have explained a lot about this. You have my PDFs, my videos, more explanations, guys. We have struggled, guys. So
right here,
when price
pushes above
the resistance,
in this point
here,
this indicates breakout
above a resistance. This is a breakout.
Which we can say
market
push it up. There is a
bullish momentum.
Moving from the
low till it breaks a
support or resistance.
You see, right now we have resistance.
It broke above the resistance. So how to understand the breakout? How can I understand
a breakout?
Breakout you can understand when a candle body closes above support level or resistance. Let me say a full body closure. The candle must be closed above with body closure. You have to understand when price closes bodily.
For example, something like this. Let me say something
like
this. Okay.
Whenever you see candle
close above
resistance,
that means a
fail it. Okay,
BO. That's good BO.
But if for example
price
if the candle,
for example, let us say
candle wick or
let us say shadow touch.
That's
rejection. Okay? This will be rejection.
But when you see candle is closing above, this is what is called breakout.
This is what is called rejection.
You have to understand
they are not the same. So
for this
strategy, the
TMR,
the market rotation. Let me give you the rule. Let me give you the SOB. And you have to understand the breakouts. If you see
far as the time frame, if you see breakout like this, what is this?
This is
this breakout
here
is for
buy.
it indicates
this market will come back and then will go up. Okay, that means this kind of BO means buy. If you see breakout like this here,
this means or this BO is for sell. I hope you get the point right now. So always you have to know the first breakout. I know you have several questions. Which time frame can I do? Where can I start it? How it looks like? Show me example. You have many questions in the mind. Please follow me.
I will show you all of them one by one.
Okay. If you get this,
if you understood, that's what I mean. If you get this, we have SOB. We have something to follow. You have to understand this first. We use breakouts and
3 time frames. So the
breakouts are also 3.
Okay. Put this in your mind. We have to get 3 breakouts. 3 breakouts. Okay. Plus what? 3 time frames. So all you will do is you have to find the 3 breakouts from 3 time frames.
This is
How?
the SOB.
This is the SOB.
Please,
This is the SOB.
Remember it. Do not forget it. Okay. Symbol.
SOB.
Remember
this. Okay.
Remember this.
BO1.
Okay. We have BO1
and
BO2 and BO.
So BO1.
BO1, BO2, BO3.
So you have to understand.
Where can I get my first?
I want to give you the multi-time frames.
The multi-time frames. How to use the time frames.
Write down right now.
Okay. Write down. So I get, for example, daily breakout.
My next breakout
that I wanna determine
or
find out is H4.
So my entry will be
breakout 3, which will be here.
All right. Sorry, it will be H1. It will be H1.
If I get H for breakout,
H1 is my
BO2.
So BO3
will be M30.
So if H1
gives me a first BO, so second BO will be M30 and entry will be M15.
If M30 is my BO1,
M15 will be my BO2 and M5 will be my entry. So if M15 is my BO, M5 will be my BO2
and M1 will be my
entry. If M5 is my BO1, M1 will be my BO2 and M1 will be. This is the final.
I want to give you the illustration
that you guys
need. What is the BO?
So what is the BO1?
What is BO1?
What is BO1? What is BO2? What is BO3?
This is the best SOB.
This is the best SOB. Put it in your mind. Remember,
okay?
Remember this. You have to remember this.
So we have to get, for example,
what is this?
These 2 kinds of setups. We
always buy or sell.
Our job is to buy and
to
to
sell.
buy?
How do we buy? Using 3 time frames with 3 breakouts. 3 breakouts with 3 time frames. Okay.
For example,
for
buying,
let us say like buy setup.
When I want to buy
Buy
setup, what will I do?
buy setup. What will I do?
Okay, you will have.
Okay, you will have.
BO.
Buy.
First, then.
BO.
Sell.
Sell.
Then BO.
Buy.
And you can use the time frame.
And you can use the time frame like this. For example,
it is at
BO buy.
It is at H.
Let me say it's at H4.
I got breakout buy.
H4, something like this.
Okay. At H4.
At H4.
Okay. When I want to
my second BO,
be H1, right?
Will be H1, right?
So it will be BO sell.
I will weigh the price until it forms something like this.
BO sell.
And
then I will wait.
M30 to form what?
M30 to form what? BO buy. That means price comes down until it forms something like this.
Here.
And then
breaks.
So come back and then I will buy here. In full illustration, it is like this.
In full illustration, it is like this.
We have.
Look here. We have
BO buy for the buy
setup. BO buy.
Okay, BO buy. Okay, then we have BO sell. Then we have BO buy. That is where the price will move.
So look here. BO
buy.
BO
sell.
BO
so
buy. So
I wanna
type
buy
it. So
here.
BO buy here.
BO buy.
Buy.
Sell.
BO sell.
Buy.
Buy.
I'll show you everything on the charts.
But if you're asking which time frame, let us say like H1 gave BO buy, M30 gave BO sell, M50
is my BO buy in.
I hope you got the diagram, like how the illustration is. For
second setup, which is sell.
It's the offset, guys. Okay.
It's like this, guys. Let us go. Let us go,
guys. It is like this. We must get BO sell first.
Then
BO sell.
BO buy.
Then BO buy.
Then BO sell.
BO sell.
I know some of you are not getting it.
I know some of you are not getting it.
It's not like we learn now.
We learn now, we understand now. It's not like this. You have to practice it, and until you understand, you have to keep learning, guys. So let us say H1,
M30,
M30, and M.
I think after explanation,
you will know where you want to use BO buy, BO sell, whatever. Let us look if we have some friends joining. Wow. All right. Okay.
So now, how does it look like? It looks like
how does
for example,
it look like?
Right here.
It looks like
we have BO
for example,
sell.
right here
Market
we have BO sell. Market was moving up,
then
there is breakout. It moved it down. We have here BO sell. Breakout sell.
BO sell.
Then
price started.
Breakout sell. Then price started pushing up again.
Okay, we have here.
We have
BO
buy.
after you see
Then,
this means
market will go down.
It makes something like this.
Finally.
And then it will
break,
drop down.
and then it will drop
for
down.
No stress.
No stress.
You have seen most
of my
and this is BO.
my setups, and this is BO.
Sell. If you are asking
Sell.
which time frame, guys,
If you are asking which time frame, guys,
let us say
this is 1 hour BO sell,
M30 BO
and
buy,
M
and M15
30 BO buy.
Sell. It's the same. BO sell.
It's the same.
Here.
BO sell
BO buy here.
BO buy here.
Okay, then
BO
sell, and this means
BO sell, and this means selling setup.
There's nothing else I have for you guys.
This is
so
the
all
example.
You need is to
So all you
have
need is
this
to
information
have
in
this
your mind.
information in
Is
your
there
mind.
anyone
Is
of
there
you
anyone
who
of
is
you
not
who
really
is not really
this
understanding this information? Let me know before I go to give you more examples.
And what is called
the system is rotation. You guys can see market is rotating.
So
this is a cycle, okay? Market cycle, okay?
Cycle. So we call it the market rotation. The market rotation. The market rotation
cycle. So we call it market rotation. So I make it T.
So you have to understand this model is called.
So you have to understand this model is called TMR. Nobody created it. You have this
guys,
with me. So
any question?
Guys, do you have any question of this information right now? Before I go to the live chat, you can unmute if you have questions or write down. Hello.
Yes, brother. No questions at all.
Are you here?
No questions at all.
All
right.
Okay.
No questions.
Okay, I will give you two examples.
One example is what happened yesterday, gold, and what happened today. Then go to the charities, make more examples, share it in next week or maybe this week. You can try this system on every market, but especially use gold or BTC. Those two berries are very good, guys.
So let me give you an example, okay?
I will give you an example, okay?
Okay.
I will clean this all this information, okay?
You have to remember, guys.
Okay. You have to remember, guys.
You have to remember what's called.
The
SOB.
You guys know the SOB. Always put in your mind and remember the SOB.
So for this market,
you guys can see. I'm using line with the candlesticks. That's moving average. If you guys want, it's here. This moving average. You guys can see. Okay.
I'm not hidden anything.
I'm
giving you my
hidden anything. I'm giving you my
tools for free, my energy,
my system
time,
for
my
free.
knowledge.
I'm giving you my tools for free, my energy, my time, my knowledge for free.
So take it.
Okay. So take it.
Everything, guys.
Take it everything, guys. And do not ask me signals. Do not ask me signals. Learn and make your own signals.
Okay, you don't need signals.
Okay, you don't need signals, guys.
So now you have this line, which is the moving average that I have with the candle charts.
So I have line charities plus the candlesticks, so that you can understand. So my friends, why did this market move it down? Why did this market move it down? If you remember, we entered here. We entered here, and then price push it down. Check out our history.
Also, this was
yesterday, right?
Today, you remember?
Price push it. We entered here.
I will
give you the reason. 2 entries. Are you with me?
Yes, brother.
Yes, we are following.
Thank you.
Thank you.
For the first
Thank you.
time, I use it
The
one
first
hour.
time I use it,
For
yesterday's setup, I use it 1 hour time frame. So if you can see, guys, here,
mute yourself.
mute yourself.
Henry, mute
Henry,
yourself.
mute yourself.
Mute yourself. Henry, mute
Henry,
yourself.
mute yourself.
Henry, mute yourself.
Guys,
Camera.
please mute. Have respect for others, please.
Thank you.
So guys,
you see this breakout. Yesterday's setup.
What is this?
You guys can see something like this.
What is this?
What is this?
BO
for what?
BO for what?
BO for what?
Continuation.
For sell.
Use or terminal. Use or language
that I have explained it. Okay.
BO
sell. Okay. BO sell. Which time frame? H1.
All right.
Are
you getting it now?
So
we have
1 hour time frame. BO sell. Yesterday.
Okay.
I make there and
a line. Okay.
Put a line. Okay.
And then I put
line so that you will see where
my
BO cell is. I will put a box.
Then
someone wants to join.
Okay, after that, what do I want?
Okay, after
that is BO.
What do I want?
What do I want, please?
That is BO cell. What do I want, please?
BO by 30.
BO by M30.
I go M30. And then
you guys
can see.
You guys can see we got here.
We got here.
BO. There's another BO.
There's another BO.
It's still the same since you're still waiting.
It's still the same.
You have to see that there's
you're still waiting for, but you have to see that there's liquidity right here. You can still wait.
If this breaks, you are not entering the market.
Since you have BO sell, you always wait a sell. Not for a buy, okay?
You
are not buying it. You will have patience. You have to wait the right time to enter. If this breaks or if this gives you a fake breakout, you don't care. Since you have this, you must sell.
So you see then
there is a bullish breakout, then price go down again, another bearish breakout, right?
And then you see price
push it up. Bullish breakout, another bullish breakout. So this one is the BO.
What?
Buy.
That's
BO by
30 minutes.
30
yes.
minutes. Yeah.
So I place my line here. Little bit up.
Look.
There. And then what I will do is I will put the box all this region.
What I will do is I will put the box all this region.
So what do I want? I want my entry, right?
So what do I want? I want my entry, right?
15 minutes.
At which time frame?
15
minutes. I will go 15.
After 15 minutes, price
after 15 minutes, price will struggle to push up, right?
Look here.
So
look here. After this,
price push it.
There's no clear
breakout right here, which means BO
sell.
We don't have clear.
Price
come here.
Push it up.
There's no breakout.
Go up. No breakout. Here, if you guys can see. Here. You see? That is clear breakout, right?
So we have here BO sell.
Yeah, so here
this region is where we will have to enter.
When I place here a line, there will be another line which will be below,
which is 1 hour breakout, the strongest resistance to sell.
Look.
I place a line here.
After I
place, where is my box?
My
box is here.
Of 15.
So
after
breakout
of 15 minutes, it means we have shifted.
It means we have shifted.
So after price retraces
back here, you can enter.
And
you can enter.
And
you guys can check my results, guys. You can check my results. After that,
starting from here. Look. Starting from here, this region. Sometimes
it can go up and touch here.
And it can touch even, but you guys can
see that we have another resistance. No matter, but your stop loss must always become above the
your stop
box.
loss must be above
your stop loss must be above the box, since you are dealing with gold, guys.
Not
small lot like here.
Here or here.
No.
It
must always become above the break. That will be the safest.
From this region, market will drop. And you remember, I insisted on holding all my positions
because of this.
Many guys close
it quickly.
Many guys cut it in loss. They have lost lot of money. And then I insist on here, holding it till the FOMC last night. And how many bips? 600 plus. 600 plus
bips yesterday. And today you remember what happened also.
And then look from there. Look from there. 630.
640 bips. And 40 bips.
Are you safe right now? Do you understand this one? Did you get it, guys? Before I give you the next example.
Okay.
So what happened today? Let me clean this one. What happened today? I started from 1 hour. Same like we have done it. We guys can see. Even if I switch to H4, it's very clear. The general breakout, the main breakout, the failed breakout. You guys can see this indicates what? Down.
Down.
Yeah, breakout. This breakout
indicates what? It's telling us
we want to move down.
We are still going down. That means we are still going down.
All right. I did not use the 4 hour. I use it 1 hour. You can even use the 30 minutes. If you want 1 hour, it will be here. For example, if you want to use 1 hour, breakout.
If you want to use 1 hour, breakout.
If you want to use 30 minutes,
if you want to use 30 minutes, it will be here.
All right. So let us say I have used the 30 minutes. They are similar.
We have only a breakout sale. We have M30.
Let us say we have
M30 breakout sale.
M30 BO.
M30 BO. BO sale.
That
indicates we have a selling
opportunity. We have selling opportunities.
We have selling opportunities. But you have to remember all this region is
where price has broken.
So
this is 1 hour.
This is 1 hour.
30 minutes.
We go 30 minutes. You guys can see
breakout buy, right?
Breakout buy, right? Look.
Okay, you guys can see very clear, right?
Okay, you guys can see.
So
very clear, right?
Yes.
So I place breakout buy. So
let me put
here
box.
And then find breakout.
Sell.
For this one in London, I even decided to enter somewhere here,
but it was not very good because of these liquidities resting here. So this breakout was not enough. Why? Because we wanted all low here to be broken. So price move it here. We have really base. Price did not break here. I told my members not to sell because we do not have a failed break. Then price again relief,
base again,
base
and
again,
then relief.
and then
So
relief.
we cannot
So we
say this
cannot
kind
say this
of
kind of
breakouts a breakout.
breakouts a breakout.
But if you look
But
at
if you look
here,
at
there
here,
there is
there is
resistance
resistance that are
hidden here.
hidden here. Look, look,
Look,
look.
this candle
This candle
make what?
make what?
Breakout.
Breakout.
It broke it.
It broke it.
As soon
As
as
soon as
price
price
break
break
here,
here,
I
I
told
told
my
my
VIP
VIP
members,
members,
sell
sell
now.
gold now.
Sell gold.
Sell gold.
Whenever
Whenever
break
price
this
break this
resistance,
resistance,
we place it more
positions here.
After
After
comes
price
back,
comes back,
add layers.
we add layers.
But you have
But
to
you
remember,
have to remember,
since
since this is
breakout
the
region,
breakout region, price
there is
for SL.
Okay?
Okay?
So 15
So
minutes,
15 minutes,
15 minutes,
15 minutes
was
entry
there,
was there,
and then
our box was there.
Breakout,
Breakout
and
and pullback.
you guys can see,
Very clear.
After the breakout, after this candle breakout,
after
this
this
candle
candle breakout,
this
this
candle
candle
is pullback.
breakout, this candle is pullback.
And
And
you have
I
more
hope
examples
you have
in
more
my
examples in
groups.
my
You guys
groups. You guys
all
can
the
check
setups
all
that
the
I have
setups
posted
that I have posted last month and last week
even
and
this week.
even this week.
So I hope,
So I
guys,
hope,
you
guys,
understood the reason
you
we took
understood
that
the
sell,
reason
and
we
you
took
guys can
that
see
sell, and you
from
guys can
there,
see from there,
this entry till here,
from
how many
this
bips, guys?
entry till here. How many bips?
Can you mute yourself?
Can
Who's
you
that?
mute yourself? Who's that?
From there we got
From there we got
630 bips.
30 bips.
So
So
that's what I told you
I told you guys.
guys. If we get 640 bips,
640 bips,
40 bips yesterday,
40 bips yesterday,
and we have today 630
and we have today 630 bips
in 2 days.
in 2 days.
970 right?
970 pips, right?
In
In
2 days. 2 days.
2 days.
What about if you are
2 days.
scalping?
What about if you are
50
scalping?
pips,
50
100
pips,
pips will be safe,
100
bruh.
pips will
Don't
be
worry.
safe, bruh.
This
Don't worry.
system will give you
This
safe
system will give
100
you
or
safe
50 pips.
100 or 50
I always
pips.
make things
I
simple,
always make things
not
simple,
complicated. So all
not complicated.
you
So
see
all you
for
see
TMR is
for
here.
TMR is
I
here.
think you have all the
I
stuff,
think you have all the stuffs, all the
There's
information.
nothing else.
There's nothing else with this
All you
new
need to
technique.
understand
All you
is
need to understand
the risky
is
management,
the
proper
risky management, proper risky management,
and also
identifying the failed breakouts. You have to understand the
breakouts.
correct breakouts. If you have any questions, guys, come up.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, hey Abdi, I'm Ricky. Yeah, just wanted to ask you like, okay, whenever we say breakout, right? We only focus on QM type of breakouts, like it has to produce a high, then a like a higher high, then a lower low, or like a new high and new low, or we can also consider like
same.
internal breakout.
The second one can be internal.
The second
but the
one
first
can be
it must
internal,
a
but the
failed
first
breakout.
it
You
must
have
be a failed breakout.
First,
You
you
have
get to know the
first
failed
get to
breakout.
know
That
the
indicates
failed breakout.
continuation.
That indicates
Failed
continuation.
breakout indicates
Failed breakout
continuation. You have to
indicates
understand it.
continuation.
The
You have
first
to
one, it must be
understand it. The
external,
first
not
one it must be external,
internal.
not internal.
The
Okay.
second one, which is
The second one, which BO2,
can be internal, no problem.
It can be internal.
And the last
no
one,
problem.
Yeah,
And the
it
last-
has
the
to.
second one,
Yeah,
the
got it.
second one.
yeah, the second one can be
The second one can be internal. Even
the entry cannot
the
be
entry
internal.
cannot
It
be
must be external.
internal. It must be
The
external.
entry one, it
Yeah,
indicates
yeah,
Entry
yeah.
one,
Entry
it indicates
Yeah, yeah. So you said like, okay, the second breakout can be internal because anyway we have to continue in that direction after we have the third breakout. That's why you said internal, right?
yeah, the internal, the one that can be internal is the one
Yeah,
of
the one
BO2.
that can be internal heat.
BO1
The
must
one
be
must be
external,
external.
BO2 it
BO2
can
it
be
can be
internal,
internal.
BO3 must
BO3 must
also be
also be
external.
external.
But
Yeah,
But
sometimes there
perfect.
sometimes
is ranging.
ranging,
When there is
when there
ranging,
is
I will
ranging,
show
I
you
will
more
show you
example
more
on the
example
next
on the
live
next live
sessions.
sessions.
Okay. Yeah,
Yeah,
thank you. Yeah, cleared everything what I need to know. Thank you.
you're
You're
welcome, brother.
welcome, brother.
Anyone else
Anyone
who's
else
going to
who's
ask?
going to ask?
Okay, this is Henry. Thank you so much
You're
for
welcome.
this
You're welcome.
clarification. At least now I can understand where some things came today. I only saw you drawing lines. I didn't see what was happening. I wouldn't understand by that time. But at least now I have a clear picture. I think I need to just do more back testing to understand and also to go in line with the best SOPs that we have so far.
All right.
All right.
Thank you.
All right.
All right. All
Thank you,
right.
bro. I have one question that is how to choose a valid breakout point.
It must be
It
close,
must
body
be close,
closure.
body
That's what I
closure.
say.
That's what
Body
I say.
closure.
Body
Failed
closure.
breakout
Failed
means body
breakout means
closure.
body
It
closure.
must be
It
close
must be close
above
above
resistance with
resistance
body
with body
or
or
below
below
a support
a
level
support
with body.
level with
That's the
body. That's
failed
the
one.
failed one.
And
And
when it
when
is a
it
failed,
is a
it means
failed,
it
it
must
means
follow
it
the
must follow
direction.
the
Let me
direction.
show
Let
you
me
some easy way to know the
show
direction.
you some
One thing is like
easy way
you
to know the
can
direction. One thing is like you
use
can
something like this. Let me know how
use
price
something
is
like
moving.
this. Let me
For
know
example,
how price is moving. For
I go
example, I
and then
go
look at
and
if
then look
price
at
is
if
moving
price is
in
moving
which direction. From
in which
there,
direction. From
price
there,
was moving down,
price was moving down,
breaking,
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 breaking.
breaking.
That means
That means
downtrend anyway.
downtrend anyway.
When you
When
see a
you
bearish
see a
Yeah,
move,
bearish,
yeah, when you
yeah,
see
when
a
you
bearish
see a bearish
breakout,
breakout,
it's a failed
it's a
breakout.
failed breakout.
Since
Since
the direction
the
is
direction
downtrend.
is downtrend.
So all we
So
want
all
is
we want is
understanding the art
understanding
of
the
the
art of
storyline, the art
storyline,
of
the art
direction,
of direction,
the
the
bias.
bias.
So when
So
I
when
get a
I
bearish
get a bearish
breakout,
breakout,
that means my
that means my
setup is
setup is
flowing
flowing
with the
with
direction,
the direction,
and it will be
and it will
very
be
easy
very
to
easy to
identify
identify
where my
where my
entry will
entry
be.
will
It will
be.
be
It
for
will be
sale,
for
but
sale,
I have
but I
to
have
follow
to
the
follow
RT
the
of the
RT of the
storyline.
storyline.
BO sell,
BO
BO
sell,
buy,
BO
then
buy,
BO
then
sell. Then
BO
I
sell. Then
follow
I
it.
follow
So
it.
simple.
So simple.
You are not
You are not
combining it with
combining it with
other
other
stuffs. You can
stuffs. You
add it,
can
it's
add it,
okay.
it's
But
okay. But
do you want to
do you want to
be
be
like
like
less
less
confusion, no
confusion, no
stress?
stress?
Use only
Use
this
only
method.
this
Do
method.
not
Do
add
not
other
add
stuffs,
other
guys.
stuffs, guys.
Blah blah
Blah
blah
blah
blah.
blah
Oh,
blah. Oh,
stop it,
stop
guys.
it, guys.
Make it
Make
easy.
it easy.
Make it easy.
Make it
This
easy.
will work
This
for you. I am
will
sure
work for
90
you.
percentage,
I am sure
99%,
90
even
percent,
100%.
99%, even
I'm sure it will
100%.
work for you.
I'm
But
sure it will
do
work
not
for you,
combine it
but
with
do
other
not
stuffs,
combine it
guys.
with other stuffs, guys.
Trust me, yo.
Trust me,
Yo, guys.
yo, guys.
Trust me.
Trust
So
me.
if you have
So if you
another
have
question, guys,
another
let us
question,
come on
guys,
the Telegram. You guys can contact
let
me
us come
on
on the
private. And thank you
Telegram.
for
You guys
the
can contact me
participants.
on private. And thank
I
you
hope
for the
this will make
participants.
money.
I
This
hope
will make
this will
you
make
a profitable
money.
also,
This
guys.
will make you
So
a
by the way,
profitable also,
it's
guys.
over. I
So by the
recorded this
way, it's
session
over.
and
I recorded the
I will
session
send it in
and
the
I will
One
send
Mission
it in
community.
the
So have a
One
good
Mission
night.
community. So have a good night, all of you.
Yeah.
Thank you so
Thank you.
much.
thank you
Good
so
Thank
much,
you.
bro. Thank
Thank
you.
you
Thank
Good
so
you.
much.
night.
Thank you
You're
for
welcome.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
You're
I can
welcome.
understand
You're welcome.
the market. It's easy. It's easy to understand with TML. Right now,
Thank you,
Thank
Landry.
before
yeah, Landry.
it becomes difficult for me because I attend the two meeting the before, but
Okay.
for now
Okay.
it's the change for me. Right
Uh,
now
Well,
I understand it. Thank you
I
for
know,
that.
I know, I
For to
know,
sharing
I
Landry.
know,
to us.
I know,
Yes.
Landry.
I
You
know,
are
Len.
good,
You are
good
good
learner, good
learner,
student.
good
Because I
student.
remember
Because I
you
remember
in our
you
sessions
in our
of
sessions
TST.
of
You have
TST.
learnt a
You have
lot.
learnt a
You were
lot. You were
practicing, and your
practicing, and
results
your
were really
results
good.
were
I'm
really
sure
good. I'm
this
sure this week you will post a lot of stuff. You have the knowledge of TST. You can apply in this one TMR. Let me see your win rates next week. Maybe next week it is not good. It will be a holiday, but I'm sure, guys, we can have more back testing. You guys can host Zoom. You guys can even open the voice chat, video chat, share knowledge with one another.
Thank you, bro. Thank you.
You're welcome.
You're welcome.
We are
Great, guys. Have a good night. Bye bye.
Thank you, Abdi. Have a good night.